Hi guys, welcome to Flipping Cars and Repairs. This is the new car. It's a nice beauty, but guess what? Nice brand new tyre on it with Brembo. These wheels were actually refurbed, so they should come up really nice. It's got that sport bit on it. Looks like some scumbag's been writing stuff on it. This has all been painted, all colour coded. All colour coded handles were, I think. You've got tinted bits there. That's colour coded. Another brand spanking new tyre. Look at that tread. 500 quid worth of tyres. That's a bit of bird poo. The whole car, as you've seen in the other pictures, it is immaculate. It's got some sports exhaust, whatever. Hawk, whatever it is. Got the Range Rover bit. That's all in black. Got a very expensive tow bar. That's 400 or 500 quid. They've done something with these lights, which look pretty cool. I think they've like masked it or painted it especially, which looks pretty wicked. But I might get the LED ones. I'm not too sure. This is all nice and shiny. Normally that's all matte. So that's been painted. Another cracking tyre. The alloys should be really good condition. It's had new discs and pads, which is all good. It's got colour coded, got a slight line along there, that's it. That's the only bit of damage I can see on this car, which will polish out. Colour coded mirrors, that bit there, sport. Another brand new tyre, as you can see. I don't actually know what these are. What are they called? I know he paid 500 quid for 3 tyres. Matador, whatever that is. Yeah, Matador. Matador, good brand. I ain't got a clue. I don't know what they've done with these headlights. I'm not too keen on this. It's like a weird, looks like some body shop's done it. Obviously you've got a nice decent colour coded grille with the black Range Rover on the front. Private plate. Right, let's go in, let's unlock it. In the back, obviously it's been sitting, so there's the interior. In the boot, I haven't actually looked in the boot yet, but you've got TV. It's very clean, nice leather interior, looks in fantastic condition. Obviously you've got like your power points and stuff here for the audio. You've got a cigarette lighter, auxiliary. You can do everything else. Electric seats in the front and back. What's in there? Load of rubbish. Another TV. You can control the TV here by putting, obviously it's Bluetooth, or you can put your headphones in there, controlled CDs. It's got a 6 CD changer for DVDs. Yeah, as you can see, it's been used. The guy lived on a farm. So look at that. Look at this. Such a nice finish. So that's that. Get in there. Obviously it's a bit dirty-ish, but look, there's no wear on the bolster. Just nothing. What's that? That's just dirt. There's literally not a rip on this bolster at all. It's got a bit clean from the recovery guy because he put it on there, but as you can see, it's got a sunroof. Fancy old sunroof. What's in there? Yep. We got, what's in there? A pair of sunglasses, I think. Yeah. in that one. Another compartment. You've got all these nice fancy armrests, very luxurious. For in here, you've got, believe it or not, you've got a fridge. It's pretty cool. So the fridge is there, turn it on and off. So you've got all your dials here for the air suspension. That goes like that. Cigarette lighter there. This is the command shift, or whatever it's called, electric handbrake, which I'm not sure if that works. All the dials all needs cleaning. Obviously what a lot of people do is they upgrade this to the different screen. You've got the sat nav, auto lights, electric windows, electric mirrors, literally everything, all the bells and whistles. You've got buttons there for whatever else. You've got Bluetooth to answer your phone, cruise control. Obviously this is the HSE, which is like the highest spec you can get. Right, let's see the mileage. It won't start, it just goes clonk and that's it. And that's the reason I got it so cheap. So like system settings, blah 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 blah. Mileage is 114,000 miles, which is crazy. 2,814,000 miles. And the reason I bought this was because the crank has snapped. Such a shame, but it is what it is. So the crank snapped, so it needs a new engine. Engines aren't too bad, about £1,000 but not too sure what to do yet. I'm in two minds whether to just strip it, but it's in amazing condition, or I'm literally going to put another engine in it. I'm looking at Jag engines for about £600-700, but you need to take the body off this. You can do it on its own, so I might actually just do it on its own without taking the body off, but I'm not 100% sure yet. But anyway, I got this for a crazy price, guys, crazy price, and I'll tell you later. So guys, what do you think of the range? The Range Rover Sport 2.7, the really reliable engine that everyone really loves. Not. What's your thoughts on it, guys? Obviously, long story short is I saw it on eBay. It's gone up to like a couple grand or something, and then the person obviously decided to pull out, so they didn't do it. I asked him how much he wanted. He wanted 4 grand for it. He actually paid 9 grand for it in February this year. No, I mean February just gone. 9 bloody grand from a proper prestige car dealer. But obviously it only had 6 months warranty on it, and after 6 months, guess what happens? 114k. He bought it on 98, I think. He only done about 15 or 20,000 miles, and then after that it went bang. Crankshaft snapped, apparently. So he's obviously taken it to a specialist Range Rover place, and they've looked at it, and it does seem to be that the crankshaft has snapped, which is a proper common thing, which is annoying, but it is what it is. So I basically said to him that I'll give you £1 grand for it, because he wanted it gone. Long story short, offered him £1 grand, and then I was getting quotes for transport, and because I couldn't get a trailer, because everywhere near me where I get them from I either didn't have a winch, or because obviously it's 2.5 ton, so they couldn't lift it, or that it just wasn't available. He needed that car gone literally within 1 day, so I had a day to find out what to do. So I finally found a recovery, and I said, look, it's going to be 200 quid. I said, I don't really want it now, so what's the lowest you take? In the end, I got him right down to 650 quid. For a 2008 Range Rover Sport in immaculate condition, as you can see in the pictures. Interior is immaculate as well. It's obviously just been used for the year, so obviously them pictures were taken when he first got it in February. He's put a new tow bar, which cost him 450 quid, which I got a receipt for. He's got 3 brand new tyres on it, which were 500 quid. Comes with private plate, which I think is valued for, I think I got it valued 500 quid. So you're not actually going to lose money, because I could literally take the plate off it, get 400 or 500 quid for it, take the tow bar off it, a couple hundred quid. So that's already my money back. So really, I'm probably better off just doing the engine, and then yeah. So I'm not really going to lose anything, am I? Because worst case scenario, even if I broke it, I can still get X amount of money for the plate. Like I said, 500 quid. The wheels, I can get about 400 quid for them because they're in good condition, and the facelift Range Rover ones, so they're about 400 quid minimum. But obviously, don't forget tyres are worth 500 quid, so they've got basically brand new tyres on them. So I probably could push £500 for them. So then that's already that's already £1,000. And then yeah, obviously Range Rover bits, you can probably sell everything. The interior's immaculate, so that's probably a few hundred quid. So I can't really lose really. Even the old engine, you can sell bits off the engine, because I know the engine's fine apart from the bottom end. So I think I've done an alright buy with this. So basically the plans is, I'm going to get a Jaguar engine, because apparently they're exactly the same engine, but obviously they haven't had a 2.5 ton truck pulling all the time. So they should be a bit more reliable in that sense, where it hasn't been abused. Just get an old Jag engine. I think they're about 700, 800 quid. Range Rover ones are over 1,000, so you know. And then I'm going to basically replace the oil pump on it, just to make sure there's no issue, because the oil pumps go on them all the time. Just all the common things that go on it, I'm going to change. Obviously, it's going to have new cam belt and all that lot. Yeah, I'm mumbling a bit. So guys, do you think this is the cheapest Range Rover? Because I do. I think 650 quid for a 2008 plate car is just crazy. It's just run out of MOT as well, which is a bit of a bummer, but obviously it doesn't work anyway, so there's no point driving it. I have been looking into it, and I can see that you can possibly take the engine out, which would be a great fun video for everyone, with just an engine hoist on the drive. That is my challenge. I have been told to basically it's easier just to have the body taken off, but if I take the body off, I've got to try and find somewhere that I can actually take the body off, which I don't know anybody that will actually let me use their garage, because they use it all the time, like MOT places. They wouldn't want me in the way, and even I know someone that's actually got a garage, I know for a fact he'd just be like, no, because he's losing money by not using that ramp. So that's not really going to happen for me. So yeah, it looks like I am going to be just, well, hopefully if the Safira goes, I've still got this bloody ST that I haven't bothered. I've had this a year now nearly. This was obviously the cheapest one in the country. 1,800 quid with 100,000 miles, immaculate condition. Can't go wrong with that, can you? This is just going to keep going up in value, so I don't care anyway. So yeah, I'm a bit crap on camera still. After, what, a year or two later, I still can't speak on the camera properly. What a joke, eh? What's an amateur? Anyway, what do you guys think of this Range Rover then? Do you think I'm mad? Or do you think I should put an engine in it? Or do you think I should strip it? I can't remember what the toll was on the actual thing, on the community post, but I think a lot of you said to put the engine in it. So my thoughts was, put an engine in it. The car only owes me 650 plus another 200 quid delivery, so that's sort of it basically owes me 800 quid. 800 quid for a 2008 plate Range Rover, can't go wrong, can you? Another engine in it, another 800, that's 1600. I reckon with everything I can get this whole Range Rover all sorted, perfectly good condition, with all the cam belt, all the issues that always happen. Might even facelift it, but for under £2,000, £2,000 for 2008 or 114,000. What do you guys think of that? Do you think that's a good buy once it's all done? Because I'm hoping they still hold for about £4,500, £5,000. Fingers crossed. Because all day long that'd be worth £4,500, £5,000. So that's like easy, what, 2.5 pre-tax profit on it if I get the engine done. yeah, so I'm not sure. And if you think I'm wondering why I'm behind the camera, is because I look like a mess. I need a haircut, and I feel like crap. Anyway, that's a bit of an update, and the new car is going to be on the channel very shortly. Still waiting for the Zafira to go. I've literally dropped the price down to something like 2.6 or something stupid for a freaking 85,000 mile Zafira with what, all the service all done, in great condition, 2011 plate. Retails about £3 grand, over £3 grand, and I can't even sell it for 2.6. It's actually really frustrating me now, because if I sell that, I could use that money to buy the engine for the Range Rover. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Only like 98% of you guys or anyone has actually subscribed. 2% have subscribed. It doesn't cost anything, so please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. See you later.